Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see Introduction to VHDL. First of all, the question is what is VHDL? So let us see what is VHDL. So VHDL is nothing but VHSICHDL. That is nothing but Very High Speed Integrated Circuit Hardware Descriptive Language. Hardware Descriptive Language is used to implement the logics. Whatever logics till date we have seen in the digital design, that is nothing but the combinational and the sequential circuits and their logic, how to implement this logic with the help of hardwares. So that is nothing but the hardware descriptive language. And very high speed integrated circuit, so all these combinations, PMOS, CMOS families, or the ECL, RTL, TTL technology, these families are combined. This is called as integrated circuit. Now to implement this combinational and hardware logics, we need VHDL. It is nothing but a programming language, and it's just like the programming language, like more or like C or Java. This language is used to describe the digital part or the digital systems, which consist of combinational logics and the sequential logic. So let us start with the advantages of the VHDL. So it is going to be a language file, a programming section, the file which can easily be read and can be loaded to FPGAs and CPLDs, what we have seen in the last session. Okay, so what the point is, the files can be easily read or can be easily loaded to FPGA and CPLDs. Now what are FPGAs and CPLDs? This we have seen in the previous sessions, that is field programmable gate array and the complex programmable logic devices, in which we can implement the complex circuits, combinational or sequential. Now how to implement these circuits in that CPLD and FPGA, that is the key. That is nothing but the VHDL. VHDL is the key to program this FPGAs and CPLDs, and we also know that it is very easy to read and load the VHDL files, okay, to implement the logic on CPLDs and FPGA. Next important point is the VHDL is standardized by IEEE. IEEE has approved VHDL, and many of its libraries where the majority of functions and variables are defined, they are present in the IEEE declared library, which we are going to see in the further sessions of the VHDL. The alternative is there for the VHDL, which is called as Verilog language. Verilog also, it is a standardized by IEEE, but most of the time we are using VHDL. Now we will see on what basis the VHDL works, how the VHDL works on a very broad concept or a raw concept.